Club, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh, India, and today we are celebrating World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated every year on 28th of July, and the theme for this year, that is World Nature's Day 2021, is Forests and Livelihoods and Sustaining People and Planet. So, the main objective of celebrating World Nature Day is to conserve the natural resources of the earth. It ultimately refers to the conservation of flora, fauna of the earth and its natural resources. The main aim of this year is to stabilize the planet by adopting such green acts which will help us in conserving our nature. There are various things which causes the destruction of our nature, like deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, excess use of chemicals, fertilizers, and industrializations. So these all are increasing at very rapid speed and ultimately causing degradation of our nature. So we, the school students, college students, and youth have to come forward and take actions against it so that we can conserve and sustain life on this planet. So nature conservation is basically essential for various things, like it is essential for maintaining the biodiversity health, it is essential for maintaining ecological balance, and it is essential for conserving all the endangered and threatened species which are going to extinct. So there are a lot of things for which nature conservation is essential, and we can conserve it by adopting certain practices like promoting the use of cycling for short distances, planting more and more trees, increasing the greenery and conserving the local species and promoting their growth in our local gardens and all. And also we can take actions for conservation of nature, like we can spread awareness at our own local level in community, and we can also share these things through social media so that we can reach more and more number of people with this concept of conserving our nature. So we all know that we all belong to nature, not nature to us. So we have to keep this thing in mind. And also, progress is impossible without change, and if we can't change our mind, we can't change anything. So first we all need to change our mind and set up and make it ready for conservation of nature, and then we can take certain actions to conserve the nature. Thank you very much.